What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I'm doing a comparison video between the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy Note 10. Now, the Galaxy Note 9 was 2018 flagship of the year for me on this YouTube channel. One of my favorite phones of all times. But we got its successor, which is the Galaxy Note 10 Plus here, right? And we're going to go over it, and I'm going to give you guys my thoughts about this device here in this comparison video. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I got two pieces of phones, right? And a lot of people say, should they upgrade to the Galaxy Note 10? Well, let me give you my thoughts on both of these devices. The Galaxy Note 9, it was a nice, and it still is a great phone. We got a 6.4-inch Quad HD display. We got the Snapdragon 855 processor. We got 6 gigs of RAM in this one. We got 128 gigs of storage, complemented by SD card support. We got all the bells and whistles, S Pen support. We run an Android Pie on this one, and everything in between with the Galaxy Note 9. I mean, this phone here, again, if you got this device, you happy with what you have. So let's talk about the Galaxy Note 10. This device is a different type of device, right? Samsung kind of went in a different direction, especially when it comes down to build quality. Let's talk about the specs. We got the 855 processor. We got 12 gigs of RAM in this one. Again, this is the Plus model. We got 256 gigs of internal storage. We do have SD card support here. We have triple cameras on the back. 16 megapixel and dual 12 megapixel cameras, also with a time of flight sensor and a flash. And we got all the bells and whistles here, but it's missing some things, which we're going to talk about in this video. So all in all, when we talk about the specs, of course the Galaxy Note 10 is going to be specced out. I mean, it has the highest specs and all the bells and whistles here when it comes down to the specs. All right, so let's talk about the build quality with both of these devices. Samsung has went in a different direction with the Galaxy Note 10. Instead of the curved shape of the Galaxy Note 9, it went with a more boxy shape. Now, love it or hate it, it is what it is. Now, it's the same size, but remember, the Galaxy Note 10 has a 6.8-inch display. So when you're looking at that, right, you got almost zero bezels on the Galaxy Note 10. And you do have the little peephole camera versus a little bezel on the Galaxy Note 9. So when they come down to the design, I mean, you be the judge for yourself. I really do like the design of the Galaxy Note 10 because it brings in a nice, beautiful, I mean, just absolutely gorgeous design compared to the Galaxy Note 9. Now, I mean, it's personal preference and personal choice on what the design choice that you like. Do you like the design of the Galaxy Note 9, or do you like the design of the Galaxy Note 10? You be the judge for yourself. But all in all, the Galaxy Note 10 is a beautiful device. All right, so let's talk about performance. Now, here's the thing. The Snapdragon 855 processor with 12 gigs of RAM, this device is supposed to beat the Galaxy Note 9. I mean, on paper, right? I mean, a lot of people would say, well, the Galaxy Note 9 is a beast of a phone, this, that, and the other. I'm going to open up some apps, guys, but obviously we know with the 855 with 12 gigs of RAM, I mean, I don't have to show benchmark tests. I don't have to do all those things. Of course that the Galaxy Note 10 is supposed to perform better than the Galaxy Note 9. But with this test, let me go on and show you guys real quick. And then one thing I want to show you, I don't have any apps open. But yeah, let me go and open up some apps real quick and let y'all guys see the performance on both devices. And we're going to open up YouTube. Boom. All right, YouTube open up fastest on the Galaxy Note 10 versus the Galaxy Note 9. Right, and again, it's supposed to open up faster, but I mean, a lot of y'all guys want to see this stuff. Let me go down and press the Play Store. Boom. Okay, all right, that was a fail. Let's do that again. Let's close that out. Let's go down and do it again. 1, 2, 3. Boom. All right, yes. So there you have it. And listen, man, it is a really faster processor, overall faster processor versus the Galaxy Note 9. All right, and let's go and open up a game. And let's go to see which one go open up the game fastest and render it and get ready to go. Asphalt 8. Boom. All right, there we go. So all in all, when it comes down to performance, I don't have to run benchmark tests. I don't have to run this. I don't have to run that. The Galaxy Note 10 will be a faster device. There it is. But is it groundbreaking? I mean, look at that. I mean, you can see that that Asphalt 8 opening up a game is right on par of the 845 processor with 6 gigs of RAM. So when it comes down to performance, guys, I mean, it is what it is. Make no mistake about it. The Galaxy Note 10 will open up every device. It will render everything a whole lot faster than the Galaxy Note 9. That's without a question. That is what it is. It will perform better than the Galaxy Note 9, without a doubt. All right, guys. So let's talk about the displays on both of these devices. As you know, that Samsung make the best displays, period. And I got the Galaxy Note 9 here, and I got the Galaxy Note 10. Let me go down and turn off the lights real fast, and let me give you some commentary on both of these displays. All right, so looking at both of these displays in pure darkness, you be the judge for yourself. Now, both of them is absolutely gorgeous. And really and truly, I cannot pick a winner here on both of these devices. I just want to show you guys that both devices is absolutely amazing. Now, a lot of people that might look at that peephole notch that's on the Galaxy Note 10 that may have a problem with that. Now, look at the Galaxy Note 10 right here. And let me get the Galaxy Note 9. And listen, man, you be the judge for yourself for looking at this. Both devices is absolutely amazing. Look at that. And this is a 4K video that I'm showing here. And when you look at that, I mean, listen, when it comes down to the displays, both of them is going to be A1, A quality displays. So, I mean, I don't see a clear winner for both of these devices when it comes down to the screen quality. But, I mean, you have a 6.8 inch display on the Galaxy Note 10. And you got a 6.4 inch display on the Galaxy Note 9. But you be the judge for yourself when looking at both of these devices. I mean, both of them is pure beauty and gorgeous. All right, so let's talk about sound quality between both of these devices. And I want to show you guys this, that I got Dolby Atmos on both devices. And on the equalizer, I have it on normal. And you can adjust this here. But I want to have a more normal sound, and I'm going to crank the volume up on both devices, and I'm going to give you my thoughts on which device sounds best and which one is louder. So I just want to show you that. Let's go to some non-copyright music really fast right here. So let's go down and turn the volume up on both devices. We got full volume here on this device, and I got full volume here on this device. Now, let me go and put the Galaxy Note 10 over there so we won't get nobody confused. This is the Galaxy Note 10. This is the Galaxy Note 9. All right, so let's go and listen to the Galaxy Note 9. All right, with Atmos sound and the equalizer flat, the Galaxy Note 9 sounds good. All right, so that's the Galaxy Note 9. Let's go and listen to the Galaxy Note 10. Ooh, wow. Hey. All right, listen, man. I'm going to tell you straight up. All right, it's night and day. The Galaxy Note 10 is sound better, much louder than the Galaxy Note 9. Oh, man. Wow. All right. All right. Woo. All right. Enough said. When it comes down to the sound quality, the Galaxy Note 10 is way better than the Galaxy Note 9 when it comes down to the speakers. The speakers on the top and bottom is louder, sound better, crisp. Overall, it sound better. No question about it. Let's move on to the next chapter. All right, so let's talk about the S Pen and the S Pen software. With the Galaxy Note 9, where you pull out the S Pen, right, you have your menu here. But when you pull out the S Pen on the Galaxy Note 10, again, we're running One UI 1.5. The S Pen menu is different. All right, so there is some fundamental differences here between both of these devices. And I mean, I don't know whether or not you like either one or not. I mean, that's personal preference. Let me get into open it up again. Okay, so when we open it up again, you be the judge for yourself. There is some fundamental differences here with the S Pen and S Pen software. I mean, it's the same, but again, whether or not you like the carousel look or the vertical going up and down, you be the judge for yourself. All right, so we got the Galaxy Note 10 S Pen here, and it brings in some unique features that's additional from the Galaxy Note 9 features, which it has some kind of air commands. All right, so it does a few extra things, and it does some gesture things, and I'm gonna show you guys in a minute, right quick. So I'm gonna kind of hold the phone up like this as I do these air commands. And if I want to go to the front-facing camera, I need to press and hold and swipe up, and there it is, the front-facing camera. Press and hold and swipe up again. Let me see if I can do that. All right, now back to the rear camera. Now it does have some touch gestures here, and again, when I press and hold, I go to the next menu there. As you can see, live focus, and I press and hold, and now I switched again to the pro mode. I press and hold. Now I'm at the panorama, and again, you go side to side here, and it goes to different modes just by using the S Pen. I don't know how much I'll use this type of technology, but I mean, it is what it is. It has some unique features that you can use air command to open up your camera, swipe up to your front-facing camera, swipe to the left and right to use these commands to swipe to different modes. So, I mean, that is a nice look. That's something additional that might help some people. So, all in all, that is a unique feature to the Galaxy Note 10. All right, let's talk about these cameras a little bit. I'm going to do a full camera review between both of these devices. Let me show you some photos real fast between both of these devices, and I'm going to do it in low light. So I'm going to show you some photos real quick with both of these devices. So check this out. As you can see in the photos, you be the judge for yourself. And I know I did it at pure nighttime photos, but I do have a complete comparison between both of these devices. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so let me give you my conclusion on both of these devices. Listen, I got a full camera review coming for both of these devices. Like, the video been long already, and I got a separate video for that. Some of the things that you are missing on the Galaxy Note 10 is obvious, right? Some of the things are missing on the Galaxy Note 10, and guess what? It's no headphone jack, right? No headphone jack on this one whatsoever. No headphone jack. We already know about it. We ain't gonna beat it up like a dead horse. This device does not have a headphone jack. You be the judge for yourself when it comes down to the build quality. Both of them is beautiful. I mean, without a doubt, the build quality is subjective. When it comes down to the performance and speed, the Galaxy Note 10 is winning in that aspect. When it comes down to audio, the Galaxy Note 10 win in audio. When it comes down to the price, listen, man, you could get a Galaxy Note 9 for way cheap at this, as of recording this video, versus the Galaxy Note 10. You're looking at, $1,100 for this device. Now, I've seen prices for lightly used Galaxy Note 9s for the $500 price point. So yes, you could get this phone for half the price as the Galaxy Note 10. So, I mean, you be the judge for yourself. The Galaxy Note 9 is a fantastic phone. I mean, if you wanted to upgrade, listen, it is a upgrade. Now, you are missing some stuff, right? I mean, the headphone jack, but that's about it. you do get expandable storage on both devices. You get 256 gigs here versus 128. You get the 855 processor, 845. You get 12 gigs of RAM. This phone will perform for a very long time. When it comes down to the cameras, you get the ultra wide angle lens on this one. All in all, the Galaxy Note 10 is a better phone. It is a better phone overall, missing the headphone jack and some other little small features here and there. But when it comes down to it, the Galaxy Note 10 is a better phone, but the Galaxy Note 9 is a better value bang for your buck into 2019. So if you want to get a device that's going to perform well, work well, have a headphone jack, Galaxy Note 9 is for you. If you want to get state-of-the-art features right here with the S Pen and all the S Pen software, louder speakers as far as audio, the Galaxy Note 10 is for you. So I just wanted to make this comparison video between both of these devices, and you be the judge for yourself. Let me wipe it off here. I got that Aurora Glow in the building. Oof. Beautiful. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Note 9, the Galaxy Note 10 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.